Hey guys, how's everybody doing today? Hope you're doing fantastic. So K&N air filters, why? What's the point basically? What's the point in fitting a K&N air filter? Like, what can you expect? My fault completely then. So what's the point in fitting a K&N air filter? Specifically like a K&N panel filter, like a replacement filter for the factory paper filter. I'm just talking about my experience here, guys. You may or may not find the same results as me, so this is just my disclaimer. So with a panel filter, let's just get the big thing out of the way first. With regards to a noticeable power increases, in my opinion, in my experience, I don't think you're going to see anything noticeable horsepower wise. So if you're looking for something that's going to give you like a miracle horsepower, 5 horsepower or something, 5%, a panel filter is not going to do that for you, in my experience at least. Okay, so if it doesn't give you power, why are you fitting one? Well, again, in my experience, you get better throttle response. There's less delay between pushing the gas and getting an increase in output from the engine. Now that can make the car feel faster, so that's probably number one. And number two, you get a slightly more noise. You gotta get an intake roar, which is not unpleasant. And it's got the added bonus, you only notice it when you're actually accelerating. It's never going to be too loud, don't expect huge difference. So those two things, throttle response, intake roar. And then there's the third one, is that you don't have to change the filter again. The K&N air filter, you have that on the car for as long as you have the car, forever. You just need to, wash it every, 6 months, 12 months, whatever it is. There are filter cleaning kits, I'll put a link in the video description. So they've got soap in them, which just loosens all the dirt in the filter. And then you wash that out with warm water, the clean side to the dirty side, so you're pushing the dirt out of the filter. And then you've got the filter oil, which you just spray lightly over the filter itself. As always, thank you for watching the video. Please vote on it if you think it was good, if you thought it was shit, and please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.